In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Google Classroom by using a class code. Whether you're a student eager to start a new course or a parent guiding your child through the virtual learning landscape, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to access all the educational resources your class has to offer. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to classroom.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see the Google Classroom homepage. To move forward, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, pay close attention to which one you're using. You want to be sure you're logged into the account that's recognized by your school or learning institution. This step is crucial as you might encounter access issues with the wrong account. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a small plus sign. Go ahead and click on that. This plus sign is your gateway to joining a class. Once clicked, it will present you with a couple of options. What you want to do next is select Join Class. After choosing Join Class, you will be prompted to enter a class code. This code is unique to your specific class and typically is a mix of numbers and letters. Type the class code you received from your teacher into the provided field. It's incredibly important at this stage to double check for any typos. Codes are usually case sensitive, and even a small error can prevent you from joining the class. Having entered the code correctly, you'll see a join button appear. Hit that button, and if everything is correct, congratulations, you're now a part of your Google Classroom. You can access all the assignments, announcements, and resources that your teacher has shared. Just a few quick tips before we wrap up. If the code doesn't work, go back and ensure that you're using the correct Google account. Sometimes this simple oversight can cause a world of headaches. Also, recheck the class code for accuracy. If you're confident you've inputted it correctly but still encounter issues, it's a good idea to reach out to your teacher to confirm the code's validity. Sometimes codes can change or expire, so it's always best to verify if you've hit a roadblock. By following these guidelines, accessing your Google Classroom is a smooth and straightforward process. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy learning.